Hello, children of Grange and people of Grange, adults of Grange. I've been missing you so much this last week. I've been really ill and sadly with COVID, but I cannot wait to get better and to be back with all of you. Really, really missed you and been thinking about you and been following you from afar, been seeing when you've done well with the class charts points and just hearing things from your teachers and just really been seeing Miss Edwards and Mr. Rashid and Miss Wade, Mr. Hutchinson, and all of the teachers and everybody at Grange, all the adults out have been looking out for you and telling me how brilliantly you've been doing. So, what are we about at Grange? And actually, the real test is when there's adversity, which means it can be difficult times or challenging times. But we know what we're about. We have a great caring attitude. We're always trying our very best. We're always especially from our mistakes, we're always learning. And we learn especially from our mistakes. We're always going for improvement and progress, about getting better and better for each of us, for ourselves. We use everything we learn to make great choices as we go along in life, and we never give up. Look at that. Well done, you. You know what your school is all about. You know what kind of a school you belong to. Our school is a school of character strength, a school of deep confidence and consideration. Every single one of the children of Grange, every single one of the adults of Grange, we are CC people. We build up our confidence, we build up our consideration, and we balance it so that we make the world a better place for ourselves and for everybody around us. And I changed Grange Pupils of Power to Grange People of Power, and I really wanted to give a shout out for all the Grange adults who are working in the school at the moment to support their colleagues like myself who are off ill. Sometimes you just have to take some time off to be ill and to heal. But you know what? It's hard because the people who are working in school, the adults who work in school, they have to work even harder. And that has not been easy. So you're watching this video with an adult, with a Grange adult or with Grange adults. Please feel gratitude and just tell them that we appreciate them because they really have been amazing. This last week, I really needed them to lift me, and I was so grateful to all of them. So well done, all Grange adults. And I'm not going to do a lot on character strength this week because I'm still not feeling that strong. But remember, I spoke to you about the ABCD of education. And you know what? You Grange children made me completely proud because I had an ABCD of education, which came from about 10 years ago at a different school. And mine was academics, behavior, creativity, and dialogue. But I'm going to just point out Simina, the one that you sent in. And I can't wait actually to get back to school and see more of the feedback that you sent in because I left it in school, unfortunately, when I had to go off ill on Friday. And I know there's more over there, but Simina's one, wow. You CC walkers, you star sitters, you children of Grange, you live your very best life, and you adults of Grange, you live your best life. There is no substitute for you. So this is our new ABCD of education. This is the Grange ABCD of education. It's the A for attitude, for positive attitude. It's the B for bravery, to have a go, to not let mistakes or regrets weigh you down, but to say, I'm brave enough to do my best and to try my best and to strive. I'm brave. I'm going to have a good go. And see, I've got confidence in myself. I believe in myself and I realize that I'm worthy and I'm going to stand up for myself and I am going to do well, which is absolutely brilliant. And we know that doing well at Grange is doing well with consideration for everybody else because that is kindness is strength. So I just love this. A, B, C, D, attitude, bravery, confidence, and doing well. Another thing that I just wanted to mention was that this month is Black History Month, and it's it's easy to have a big debate about whether Black History Month should just be 1 month of the year or should be every month. I'm going to say that we have a fantastic podcast at Grange. It's like listening to the radio. So if you want to find our podcast, I mean, all you have to do is put it on Google. You can just put the Great Grange podcast, And you will see various episodes. And this was our latest episode, done on Friday, October the 1st, 2021. It was myself and Miss Kalu and Miss Bartley, and we had a brilliant discussion about what Black pride means, what it means to be proud to be Black, what it means to have pride in being Black, what it means to be a school in which we can be proud of our Black members of staff, of our Black children, and we can really all work together to really be proud of who we are. So I would encourage you to really have a listen of that podcast, and we're going to make more of them, and looking forward to on Friday doing another episode. So our gold stars of the week, we have got Darsh and Zosha and Simina and Stanley and Nicole Yu and Sophia S. and Leland is brilliant. I'm so proud of all of you. Fantastic to see you, gold superstars. So the class champions, we've got Stan and Matisse, Darsh and Matisse, Bathanan and Matisse, Sophia S. and Matisse. We've got Justina in Picasso, Sawane in Picasso, Daniel in Picasso, Zosha in Klee, Harris in Klee, and Aroma in Klee, and Fadl in Klee, and Adam S. in Klee. Wonderful class champions. Brilliant. Keep up the great work. Oh, there's another one in Klee. Well done, Idris. And class champions Donna and Beckham, Sammy and Beckham, Ananya and Beckham, Martina and Beckham. Fantastic work. Simina and Ennis, Rocky San and Ennis, Ramanula. Fantastic. Joseph in Holmes, Uzair in Holmes, Ryan in Holmes, and Deanna in Holmes, and Tamid in Holmes. Fantastic. Well done. Grange House of Water, look at the progress you've made. Can you see that in the brackets is from the week before that, and then this 5,839 was last week. So well done, everybody. Look at that. Every house made progress. It's just wonderful. Every house made progress. Grange House of Air, nearly 1,000 points of progress, which is just brilliant. And Grange House of Earth, all the houses made progress. And look at that. We can see that collectively we got over 22,000 points, which was great. It's like nearly 300 points, 3,000 points more than the week before that. So it's just brilliant, CC Power. Now, classy classes. So first of all, I want to say is Picasso class. 2 weeks ago, I said progress, fantastic. But this is your first time ever. You smashed through 1,000 points. So proud of you. Holmes and Ennis class, you also got through 1,000 points. And Picasso, obviously, I've just mentioned you. Picasso was your first time through 1,000 PowerPoints, and you were very close to making it into the classy classes. Matisse class was 1,657, and Ennis class with 1,553. Sorry about that. Let me just say there's Matisse class in third place, Ennis class in second place, and Klee class, you maintained your classy class position. I just want to say, all of you doing really, really well. And Picasso class, yes, one day you are going to be classy class, because you came very close to being third in classy class this week. So well done. So we set ourselves a target of 100,000 points, and look at us. We are so close now. We've got 2 weeks to go, and we are like about 12,000 points off our target, which is just absolutely brilliant. And the reason we've done and achieved all of this is because we're powerful, and we're kind, and we're loved, and we're Grange, and we're going to make it. We're so resilient. Oh, I can see something over here that already, because you're on target to win one of these treats, which is just fantastic. So let's give you a CC salute. Well done, Grange. Children of Grange, adults of Grange, so proud of all of you. What a tough week it's been. And yet you have been confident and you've been considerate. So hand on heart, let's give ourselves a CC salute, and circling around, thinking about our beautiful planet and what we can do to look after it. So let's be great, let's be Grange, let's live our lives with confidence and consideration, to enjoy the learning ahead and be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's remember that we're all of us together. Let's respect each other, because all of us are interconnected. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be great.